Some flat roofs can handle metal, but most can't. In this video, I'll show you how to tell the difference and avoid choosing the wrong roofing system. I'm Kevin with Equity Commercial Roofing. We spend a lot of time helping building owners understand their roofing options before they make the big decision. The first thing we need to talk about is what flat really means. Most roofs that people call flat aren't truly flat at all. In reality, almost every commercial roof has some amount of slope built into it so water can drain properly. Roof slope is measured by how many inches the roof drops for every foot of horizontal distance. The smaller that number is, the slower water drains across the roof. In the roofing industry, anything under about a 4 and 12 slope is usually considered low slope, even though most people would still describe it as flat from the ground. This distinction matters because metal roofing is designed as a water shedding system, not a waterproof system. Metal roofs rely on water moving off the surface quickly. When water sits on a roof, which we call ponding water, it creates problems for a metal system. Over time, standing water can work its way back towards seams and fasteners, and that significantly increases the risk of leaks. This is very different from membrane roofing, systems commonly used on flat roofs, which are designed to be fully waterproof and can handle water that doesn't drain immediately. For a metal roof to work properly, there has to be enough slope to keep water moving. In general, standing seam metal needs 1 inch per foot, while exposed fastener needs 2 inches per foot. If a roof doesn't meet that requirement, metal usually isn't the right solution, no matter how attractive it might seem. If you're thinking about installing a metal roof on a flat or low slope building, the next step is understanding your roof's actual slope and which roofing systems are designed to work in that environment. At Equity Commercial Roofing, our goal is to help you make the right decision for your building. If you have questions about your roof or want help evaluating your options, fill out our online form for a zero-cost roof evaluation. Thanks for watching.